Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your tickets on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you purchase tickets to an event. How do you actually go ahead and get that ticket? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is access our Ticketmaster app over here and go ahead and log in. So once you're on this page right here, on the bottom hand side, you're going to see the Discover button, you're going to see a For You button, and you're going to see My Events button. So go ahead and click on My Events. So here is where you're going to see your upcoming events. So as you can see, I have one upcoming event here. You're just going to go ahead and click on that event. And then here is where you could actually click on View Ticket. So from here, this is what you would actually show at the gate. And so they would actually go ahead and scan this so that you could actually enter your event. Other things you can do to this is that you could actually add this to your Apple Wallet as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your tickets on Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.